Good morning, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to work with Heggerty, and we are going to talk about concept of spoken words. This is a phonemic awareness, and it helps us listen to our sounds and begin just hearing phonemes, which is the beginning of reading and sounds, okay? So I am going to give you a sentence, and we've done this in our daily message with today is Monday, or yesterday was Wednesday, okay? So we've done a little bit of that, but Mrs. Hensley I'm going to give some sentences and I'm going to clap them, and then what Mrs. Hensley wants you to do is clap back, okay? And we're going to do it a certain way. Trying to get this angle just right. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to start with the cat is black. So you just do it with me, okay? The cat is black. Okay, let's do it this way. The cat is black. It has 4 words in it. The cat is black. Okay, so every time I clap, when I hear a word, I'm putting a finger up to count. Okay, so let's do the next one. We're going to do, I can see you now. I can see you now. That sentence has 5 words in it. Okay, she did not go to school. Ready? She did not go to school. 6. Okay, that one was a little trickier. Okay, I like to dance. I like to dance. 4 words in that sentence. Okay, he ran a home run. Okay, ready? He ran a home run. Oh, that one's tricky because home run is 1 word, not 2. It sounds like 2, but it's 1. He ran a home run. Okay? Now, the basketball went up high. The basketball went up high. It sounds like basketball is 2 words, but it's not. It's called a compound word, and it's 2 words put together. When you see a basketball, it's 1 basketball. It's 1 word, okay? Basketball, okay? So here we go. We're going to try that one again. The basketball went up high. Try that again. The basketball went up high. Now let's count them. The basketball went up high. 5 words in that sentence. Now let's try. It is not hot. It is not hot. 4 words. Okay? So practice those with sentences. We need to make sure that we're counting the words in sentences so we know the difference between a word, and later on we'll learn about syllables. We need to know the difference between words and syllables, okay? So you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and Mrs. Hensley will see you soon. Bye, friends.